Dear children, today we are going to discuss on operation on matrices because we have already seen what is the matrix and how we can write the order of matrix. So now next topic comes okay, what is the operation on matrices like operation on real numbers or complex number. Similarly here we shall see one by one what is the meaning of addition of matrix, what is the meaning of subtraction of matrix, then how we can multiply two matrices. Okay, so let us see one by one. The first one is addition of matrix. So in addition of matrix, suppose two matrices are given to us and the question is okay, what is the meaning of addition. So what we have to do here in addition, just think about the first element of the first matrix and the first element of the second matrix. They are called corresponding elements. So in the addition of matrix, we are doing addition of the corresponding elements. So first element of the first row is added with the first element of the second matrix. First row and second column element is added with first row and second column element of the second matrix. Similarly, the third element of the first row and third element or third column of the second matrix are added together. Similarly, we are doing the same thing for the second row. In second row, first element is 2 1. For the second matrix, it is 2 1. They are added together. So this is the way to add the two matrices. Now see the example number 6. Here we have A matrix given, B matrix is given, and we have to find the value of A plus B. So the first element is root 3 of A matrix, and for B 2 is there, so it is 2 plus root 3, and second one is 1, and here second one is root 5, so it is 1 plus root 5. Third element is minus 1, and here the third element is 1, so 1 minus 1. For the second row it is 2, and here it is minus 2, so 2 and minus 2 is here. Okay, and the next one is 3 and 3, so here is 6, and last is 0 and half, so 0 plus half. Alright, so what we have learned here, whenever we are adding these two matrices, we are keeping in mind that they are of the same order. They are of the same order. This is very important. If the matrices, their order are not same, we can't find their addition. Addition is not defined. Clear? So in addition of matrix, what we have to keep in our mind? Okay, they must be of the same order. Now here, next one is come multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now what is the meaning of this? Okay, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. Now see, suppose a matrix is here, A is given to us, okay, and we have to find okay, what will be the value of 3A. What will be the value of 3A? Means we want to multiply the given matrix by a scalar. A scalar means by a number. It may be a real number, it may be a complex number. So what is the meaning of multiplication of this matrix by 3? Here, when we are going to multiply, we shall multiply each element of the matrix by 3. Each element of the matrix by 3. This is the meaning of multiplying a matrix by a scalar. So 3 into minus 3, this is 9. 3 into 1, this is 3. 3 into 1.5, this is 4.5. Similarly, 3 into root 5, 3 root 5. 3 into 7 is 21. Okay, so this is the meaning of multiplying a given matrix by a scalar or by a number. So after doing this, we have understood what is the meaning of multiplying a matrix by a scalar. So when we have to multiply the matrix by minus sign, we have to multiply each entry of the matrix by minus. So in case of minus a, when you are finding, we have to multiply the given matrix by minus 1. So it becomes minus 3, then minus 1, then minus 5 is there, so it 5. X is there, so it is minus x. Understood? So after knowing this, we have an example number 7. Let us see this. Here a is given, b is given, and we have to find 2a minus b. 2a minus b means first we have to write the matrix A and we have to multiply by 2, and minus b means after writing the matrix we have to take minus sign inside the matrix. Okay, so here when we are going to multiply by 2, what we have discussed? We have discussed each element here will be multiplied by 2. So it becomes 2, next is 4, then 6, then again 2 into 2 is 4, 2 into 3 is 6, and 2 into 1 is 2. Take this minus sign inside the matrix. Each element will be multiplied by minus. When you are taking minus inside, here it is plus sign, and minus go inside, so become minus 3, minus 1 becomes 1, 3 becomes minus 3, 1 minus 1 becomes 1, 0 is 0, and 2 is minus 2. Okay, so we have got the value of two matrices. Now we know how to add these two. Add these two means we have to add the corresponding elements. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1, then 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 minus 3 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 minus plus 0 is 6, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Understood? So this is the way we have to add the matrix. We have to multiply a given matrix by some scalar. We have to know how to subtract the matrix. Now the properties of matrix addition. When we are adding two matrices, we shall find, or we can easily verify with the help of example, a plus b. When we are adding two matrix a plus b, or you can find b plus a, you will get the same result. So we are saying matrix addition follows the commutative law. Okay, so matrix addition follow the commutative law. The next properties comes associative law. Associative law means shifting of bracket. Shifting of bracket means when first you find the value of a and b, then you add with c, or you can find b plus c, then you add with a. First you are adding a plus b with c, or you first find b plus c, then you add with a, you will get the same result. So we are saying a matrix follows the associative laws. Matrix follows the associative law. Okay, now the next is existence of identity element for addition. Identity element for addition means when we have given a matrix and when we add with 0 matrix. 0 matrix we have already discussed in the definition of matrix. A matrix whose all entries are or all elements are 0. When you will add with a, you will get a, because the element of a, suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the 0 matrix is means 0 0 0 0. When you will add this, you will get the same thing. 1 plus 0 is 1, 2 plus 0 is 2, 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 0 is 4. So automatically lastly we are getting A. So 0 is called the additive identity for matrix in case of addition. Now existence of additive inverse means you have to find a matrix. When you will add with the given matrix A, the result will be a 0 matrix. The result will be a 0 matrix. So we shall say minus A is the additive inverse of the given matrix. I think up to this everything is clear.